If you're thinking about making a move to Alpharetta here, this is the right place. You found the right video. But today we are going to be looking at a property here in Alpharetta, Georgia, in North Atlanta, that is priced at $875,000. So stay tuned. As always, if this is your first time to the channel, thank you so much for being here. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap the bell for the notifications because we will be bringing you a lot more homes like this that show you kind of the different price points in Alpharetta that you can get, but really all over North Atlanta. So, you know, if you're looking to make a move to North Atlanta, this is definitely the right place for you. My name is Matt. Our team here in Atlanta gets a ton of calls from people moving here all the time. And so we'd love to be able to help you out. You can always schedule a Zoom here directly on the channel. Of course, all of our contact information is down below, so you can call us, text us, email us, or again, set up that Zoom or FaceTime call anytime you'd like. We'd love to give you a hand. As I said, here in Alpharetta, Georgia today, showing you a home priced at $875,000, just a touch over 6,000 square feet, 6 bedroom, 8 bath, kind of your executive level home, 3-car garage, full brick exterior, beautiful home. But I just wanted to kind of give you guys, you know, much better sense, or a deeper dive, if you will, on, you know, what exactly just under $900,000, at least in 2022, here will get you. This is the grand entryway. So you have your dining room over there, your stairway up to all the bedrooms. I'm not super crazy about the doors here into what is an office. These are glass, of course. But, you know, I'm not sure. How do you guys feel about this? I'd love to hear your comments down below and hear, would you do this in your house? This is a new one on me. I've seen thousands of homes and I've never seen anyone do that. But, you know, you could still, if you wanted to, obviously this house is vacant. So if you wanted to, you could certainly put some, you know, French doors there with some windows on them. So give you this separation. But I'm curious to hear y'all's thoughts on that. We'll go down to the basement here in just a quick moment, but just want to bring you into the grand room here. You got your little coat closet there. Love this 2-story living room and keeping room here just off the kitchen, but all freshly done hardwood floors. You can actually still smell the stain just a little bit as they were just redone. I was trying to figure out what that was up there, and then I came over to this light switch and it's a light. So anyway, but again, 6,000 square feet here, 6 bedrooms, 8 baths. This one did have an addition put on it, which is kind of nice to have an extra little bedroom, extra little space here, but got a little, you know, pantry, little, you know, bar there. You've got a little study here if you want it for the kids' homework or your homework if you aren't going to work in the glass enclosure over there. 3-car garage, 2-door on one side, 1 car on the other. Really nice though, really big. It does have that granite, you know, garage flooring finish to it. Kitchen is absolutely stunning though. Tons of storage in here, brand new light fixtures, granite countertops, of course. I like this stain. I'm curious to hear if you guys like this as well. It's kind of like a, you know, almond color with a little bit of black behind it or underneath it, kind of a rustic look to it. I personally really like it. I'm not a big fan of, you know, surgical or white, you know, almond, whatever. But I'm curious to hear y'all's thoughts on that as well. But as you can see, all the way to the side of the house there, just a nice big open area here, perfect for entertaining. And of course you do have a little outdoor kitchen here with a little patio out back. Really, really nice though, nicely landscaped. You'll see here in just a moment. Outside, you got your double oven with your built-in microwave, your pantry. You've got your laundry room here, just off the kitchen as well. And then all of this was actually added afterwards. So you have another half bath over there. And then you have this huge in-law suite with what is a kitchen. So they've got a little dishwasher there. They've got a built-in microwave. Obviously they're missing the refrigerator, but tons of built-ins here. And then a full bath over here as well. I mean, this is just really, really nice to have on the same level, you know, the main level here. Plantation shutters throughout. I mean, this is just really, really nice. This is your entrance from the garage here, or the driveway. And then if we go upstairs, you'll see all the bedrooms up here. So this one's just to the right. Carpet in here, but again, plantation shutters, nice and bright. Ensuite with its own little bathroom here. The closet is just through here as well. Right there. Nice little updated vanity there too. Nice little catwalk too up here. Catwalk, excuse me. Overlooking the two-story here. Really nice though. I mean, it's obviously vacant, so it's gonna echo a little bit. So excuse the audio. But you've got two other bedrooms here on either side of the hallway. And again, this one's en suite, so you got your closet there. But you can kind of get a sense of how bright it is in here, right? Again, another new vanity. So some, nicer, newer, modern touches to this home. Some built-ins in this one too, perfect for a kid or kids. With 6 bedrooms though, of course, you've got plenty of space for anyone to come through and stay. And then again, your ensuite with its own closet as well. I really like this vanity. I know they did the same thing in every one, but it's a good look and it's keeping that consistency I like. So this is your master. Wait till you see this closet. Holy smokes. So this is the master closet. You see tons of built-ins, custom closet, totally head to toe. His side, her side here. What's really cool, and I've never seen this feature either in this type of home, at least at this level. You've got this side for shoes and sweaters and whatever else you want to store. This like little lazy Susan thing, but you see how many different shelves you've got there. And then over here on her side, she has the exact same thing. So you can do shoes or sweaters, whatever you want to there, but tons of built-in storage. Again, really, really nice because while this bedroom is nice and large, it's just right on the edge of, what you could actually fit in here in terms of furniture. So, your bed, your 2 end tables, maybe a dresser, maybe another dresser there, but certainly plenty of storage. It's a really, really nice, large, extra large master bedroom here. And this bathroom is just absolutely spectacular. So not only do you get the giant picture window here, super private, of course, but you've got your water closet over here. Check out these mirrors, look at this. Isn't that cool? Wow. I like that. But 3 different mirrors, 2 different vanities here. I think it's pretty obvious what happens there with the vanity mirror and the little stool. But really nice tile. So this looks shiny, but it is travertine, so it's non-slip. So, as you're looking at this, it's like, oh, that looks like a major slip hazard. It's actually not bad. And then they've got these niches built into the shower. I mean, just really, really nice. Really nice. So we'll take you down to the basement. All right, so if you come down just from the main entryway here, down into the basement, and you come down, you've got another little bedroom here, which is really nice. And you've got your pool table area there, as well as this custom bar built in, which is super cool. Isn't that neat? And then a little sitting area here. But the coolest part about this house by far is this. You got your own 8-person theater here, complete with a 100-inch screen, built-in speakers. All of the media equipment is completely hidden. But you've got your projector up there. You've got these beautiful leather theater seats, which just look absolutely amazing. It looks like they haven't even been sat in before, but of course carpet and all the walls painted black. It's really dark in here, obviously. So when we turn the lights off, you can kind of get an idea of what the viewpoint looks like from up here. But I mean, this is absolutely one of my favorite features in some of these larger homes here in Alpharetta. So I'll show you how the lights go down. Isn't that cool? And then it's got the little spotlights on the screen. I thought that was really cool. Anyway, I'm curious though, would you put a home theater like this? I mean, this thing is 750 or so square feet. Would you put a home theater in your home here in Alpharetta? So there you go. That's what $875,000 will get you here in Alpharetta, Georgia. Make sure that you tap that subscribe button and the bell notification so that you don't miss a single video about Alpharetta, North Atlanta, everything that we have to offer here. As always though, if you ever have any questions or comments, just leave them down below, or again, shoot us a text, a call, an email, or you can always schedule a Zoom here. If there's a particular property that you want to see here in Alpharetta, Georgia, just hit us up anytime. We're happy to help. Talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.